Welcome back, and on today's video I'm doing a recap today on how I made $400 trading ES. So let's get into it. First thing I did was mark my high time frame liquidity. So I did all that, and we're not on market open yet. Today was a pretty quick day. So this video should only be like 5-10 minutes maybe. Alright, this is market open. Immediately what I'm seeing is that ES already took out a low, and NASDAQ did not. NASDAQ, I'm pretty sure NASDAQ wants these highs just a little bit. And I honestly thought about entering this, having something like this, having my main partials here, and then just targeting up here like we have been doing for the last week for some reason. Thought about doing that, but I was like, nah, I gotta stick to my rules. So I see that NASDAQ's leading, and that's why I was like, maybe I should do that, but I was like, no. So I come here, and since NASDAQ is going up, either I'm thinking we're going to come up and sweep this high on ES, or we're going to tap into this gap, and we're going to reverse from there, unless we're just bullish all day again. So, next candle, we're starting to tap into equilibrium and everything. Pretty sure we get 79. Yeah, we get 79%. And on this candle, I enter somewhere around, I think it was like around here. Stop loss under this low. So if we go under that low, we're breaking structure to the downside. And NASDAQ's booming up. I'm like, all right, I'm sure ES at least wants these highs. So I do something. I don't think it was that high. I obviously don't know exactly where I have my full TP at because there was no liquidity. I was kind of just placing it up there, just trying to maximize my wins. So I'm running like 10 contracts on ES, and I have 5 contracts coming off here because this is the main liquidity level for me. Because usually ES is a little bit slower than NASDAQ, as you can see. And I feel like if we hit this liquidity, it could cause the whole entire thing to move. So, we form this gap. And I hit my partials, I'm break even. I go break even. I think I'm up like 200 maybe. And then I just have like random partials all throughout this. Again, I don't remember how high I should have made my thing because I was just placing it in random spots, but it wasn't like far away, if that makes sense. So I'm pretty sure I take another partial around here somewhere, and I think it's this one because I wanted to break above that high, and I think I take a partial, and can't really remember where else. This honestly might be where I got stopped. Maybe. Yeah, because I didn't hit my full TP, but I remember hitting my two partials after my main partial. And as you can see, NASDAQ just ran. And I'm pretty sure that was just it. Yeah, because this just tested this high again, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, it was a short ass video. I literally entered in at 8:45, which sounds crazy, but if I see an opportunity for a trade, I'm gonna take the trade. So yeah, that's how I made $400 trading ES this morning as an unprofitable trader. Peace.